Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to make some jam. These are my fresh strawberries. So if you're new, welcome, and if you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. Don't miss out on these simple recipes and things that you can do at home to save a lot. Like when there are fruit on season, don't miss out to make maximum of them. So today I have strawberries. They seem to be plenty in season, so I bought some and I want to show you how to make jam at home. So guys, you need to wash this, so let's do that and let's get started. So we'll cut off these parts. And they are so good. Very sweet. I'm tempted always to taste them as I do my recipe. So put them in the cooking pot. You need some lemon, just half of it is enough. Squeeze it in. This will act like bring some good taste, also as a preservative for your jam, because you don't need to use it all of it at once. You can store some in the fridge. So after that, you want some sugar. This like 200 grams. Then you boil it like for 20 minutes. So we go to the fire. So you boil it for like 20 minutes and you don't go anywhere, you keep stirring. Actually, you can crush them so that it's easier for them to get cooked. You can crush them. You can see in the beginning there's a lot of froth, but when it's ready the froth will go down. Even the bubbles will be like slow bubbles. When it becomes so thick, that's when you know it's ready. Or when you freeze your plate in the freezer and pour some jam on it, and you put your finger across and it does not flow, know that your jam is ready. Meanwhile, let's keep stirring. As you stir, you can keep mashing them. You can already feel the flavor coming out. So nice. The smell of strawberries. You can see our bubbles are now very slow, so you can see it's now thick. So I think our jam is ready. It's after 20 minutes of boiling. As you go regulating your fire so that it does not get burnt. So I'm not using a thermometer, but if your thermometer, if it gets to 217, know your jam is ready. Mine is ready. I can see it has become big. Let me also take my fire down, my flame down. Have my frozen saucer. I'll use it to test. So we'll pour some. This is my saucer which has been in the freezer. We'll pour some. It's raining, very rainy. You can see it's not flowing. So we switch off our fire and we take our pot out. So before storage, ensure that you've sterilized your bottles. So here is my bottle, already sterilized. I've drained some excess water. So we'll pour our jam into our container. There you go. Looking so good. It's hot, guys. Homemade jam. Here is my jam. This so let's cover it, and there you are. So you can use it on your bread or anything that you enjoy using the jam on. So let's try and see how it is. Wow, look at that. Give it a good spread. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. Don't miss out on these simple things that you can do at home that can help you even save. Yeah, I have a lot of ideas, DIYs that I do, making recipes, simple recipes at home for dinner, breakfast, healthy recipes if you're losing weight. And there you go, your bread, your love of bread. Here's your chance. So I don't do much bread, but today my handwork. So good and tasty. So see you guys in another how to. You need to learn these things at home. You don't need always to be in the shop. So bye. My bread is so tasty with my homemade jam. Try it and let me know if you managed to do yours the way we have done. It's very simple. Thank you.